Hi there, let's soldering this little radio Wi-Fi LoRa. Let me show you the radio. It's this one from the Heltec. It's a little radio. Let me show you in the site, manufacturer site. Here is the Heltec automation. Go to the product, click here, then goes to the page number 6, and here you have it, Wi-Fi LoRa 32V2 radio. This one, it's let me show you, it's a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LoRa, OLED, all in one chip. It's a good option in a very low cost. Let's go to the soldering. Okay, here is my material. Let's get on the soldering iron. Let me show you. This is the soldering that I am using. It's a TS11 100 controller soldering tip. It's a TS100 soldering iron. It's a fine iron, a very good one. Okay, let's see my materials. Okay, and it comes with these tags so that you can then see what is the pins that we come. Here's the material that we will need, and the first thing that we'll do is to disconnect or disconnect this OLED because it's very close. Let me show you here, very close to here, and so I can put the tip of the soldering can make some damage to the OLED connection. So I will put the module, the OLED module, one a bit farther. I'll show you. Okay, it's 4. So there you have it. This is the, and what I want to do is, when I will put this solder here, I will pull this structure and get access to this pin. Okay, let's get it on. Let's first put the connection. Okay, here is the connection. Let's soldering the first one, the last one, the first one, last one, so we can initialize. Here's the wax. Okay, and here's the solder. Let's get it. Okay, here is the first one. Careful. Alright, this first one is right. The last one is right here. Sorry. Yes, we have it. Yes. Now the other side. Okay, make it like this. There you have it. Much care. And the best ones. Initialize. Sorry. I have to get some to clean the tip. To be very careful. Okay. Let's we have this. See what we get here. Okay, and you see that the pins are relatively straight, as you can see. Right now, let's initialize with this part. Put this structure right here to see if it okay with much care. Okay, let's initialize it with much care. Okay, let's initialize it. See pins by pins. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So that, yeah. So there have been another solution, but this one is working. So I'm going to stick to it now. To be very careful. The components are very near to the pins. Sorry. To be very careful. There you have it. We have soldering the first. Let me show you. The first pin is ready. Okay. Fine. Let's see another pin. Let's initialize with this part, and then we have to be careful about this one. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this part from here to here is more critical. I have to work with caution now. Let me see what I can do about this. Let's improvise here. About this, but I need to make some space. Let's see what I can do about this. We can okay. This will work fine. So, but I can make some okay, and make some force and the connection. Make some space. Now we finish my work. This. Have to be very careful about this part, because here is connection very near to the rebel cable, and it's very sensible component. So here is my way to do this. Maybe you can find another one that make this work another way, and there you have it. Okay, I will this. Let's see, this one is not very it's much round. Let's make some more. Okay, I think everything is fine. Let's see, and the connection is okay. Right, let's see, this one is more solder chicken. There's a solder with chicken. Okay. This is very difficult because this part is inside the board. I think that everything is fine. Okay, let's connect the soldering. Okay, let's make some room here so that we do not make burn the hands, and let's reverse the connection. This connection, we disconnect these. Now let's connect it again. It's very simple because it's made with screw. So careful with this. Okay, let's get that screwdriver and make the component back in its hole in its state again. It's very simple connection I make with the screw, and this is the way that I thought would be nice, and I think that everything must be okay. Let's make the connection so that everything must be working fine. Okay, fine, everything's fine. Let's make some room here. Here is the connections. Okay, and the last thing that we can do, can make it, let's get rid of this sheet, and there you have it. The connection is fine. And let me show you my site that I have some explanation about this. Here is my site, and this is, let me show you, this is about LoRa. You can understand what LoRa, long range, low power wide area network means. Here is the first episode of this series, SP32, with IDF library from Expressive. Here is some information about this, and what I want to show you is this one. Let me see if I have the image that I want to show you. Okay, here is the LoRa. Here is the not that one. Let's go to another. Okay, this one, or hello. Let's go to the hello world. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go to the hello world, get started, and there you will find, let me show you this one, this image right here. The internet load this image. Oh, right, this one. Okay, this one, the LoRa. Let's see this. Okay, in this position, and the number, let's see, this is the ground, and this is the 5 volts. I think it's, where is the pin number? Okay, the pin number is 5 volts. Let me see the number 16 right here. Okay, so get this tab right here, okay, which read 16 read here, and ground in other phase. Get it here and put it in this position right here. Okay, in that position right here. Okay, there you have it, in that position. Let's see again, 16, okay, all right, 17, 4, and so on, and the ground 5 volts. Okay, in this side, okay, and the other side is that one is 21 right here. Let's get it on and put it right here. Okay, in that position right here, and let's see again with, sorry, oh my god, the walks, I have to make some clean. Let me get some alcohol, isopropylic alcohol right here, and put it in that position me show you. Oh, sorry. Yeah, in that position 21 right here. Sorry. Okay, I think this is right. Okay, see the final product. All pins are identifier, and there you have it. And this is the study that I'm making. Let me show you with these balls, and what you can see is a hypersphere, and I study about this, and there you have it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.